Wait. Reload this one.
Representing.
Oh, that's so hard to see.
What happened? Yeah, that's fucking mad.
Representing.
Bro, have we got another angle on that?
What the hell was that?
I saw the punch.
Oh, he's died.
Like the Spanish brain. Spanish brain.
Johnny didn't know what he's talking about.
I'm guessing it landed there.
No, I was there though.
Yeah, he got hit. He got hit. The first, he got hit the first shot. Yeah.
It's a bit controversial, but I don't think he did hit him.
Nah. Lightning struck that guy down. Lightning. He said, "Voodoo, take me now, please."
Bro, last one. Thank you very much.
Big up, yeah.
Love. Thank you, Dean. Appreciate it, man.